Radio Papa. Thank you.
I'm never gonna change. The way I'm a pal, don't you think it's strange? 20 years of happiness and pain. Still I'm a pal, I love you over and over again. Yes, I want my man, I'm a pal more. Won't pay me, I won't find my raw. Go concern you, we send the door, so I'm from the cookie store. You baby can't you jaya, shall 94. I swear to God, the neighbors know my name.
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have them blessed.
Whatever you need, and I'ma make it rain. But I'm addicted like cocaine. What else? You know somebody don't be problem.
My favorite one, I love you. You know I can't wait till the morning comes till I see your face. My favorite one, I love you. You know it's true. Can we run away? Can we run away? Can we run away to a special place? Can we run away? Can we run away?
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have them blessed day.
I got you. Watch out, me do me quantia. I go catch you. You say me never fatter. They say I dey match you. We a better pair like a jellystone bear stuck like a tattoo. We ain't gotta run away, we staying right here. We been through a lot, this ain't even close to a nightmare. Yeah, don't know how to decide, sorry, them offering. Can't wait till the day we go see you on the offspring. But until then, it's me and you against the world. My winning, you didn't be a woman and stop being a girl. I did sama me sumye, when I'm on here. Oh, what do you do with Jim? This is here, near me. I just wanna tell you how I feel. We go be together like ants on a hill, like keys on the piano, note for note. Campaign song for your love, give me your vote.
Run away? Can we run away? Can we run away to a special place? Can we run away? Can we run
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have them blessed day.
to a special place? It's your dumb money pie and breath. A cool moon and made that breath. And I can wait until the morning comes. Into your dumb money pie and breath. A cool moon and made that breath. And I can wait until the morning comes. I can wait till no. I
The
can wait.
mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have them blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
Irene.
Gotta confess.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
My baby, you're driving me crazy. In Crawford, send me out myself. I feel for you, almost in myself. Make us at the cell. Me pal, into me de my kuma me cry me never more. I can't wait till the morning comes till I see your face, my favorite one. I love you, you know it's true. Oh, I can't wait till the morning comes till I see your face, my favorite one. I love you, you know it's true. Oh, can we run away? Can we run away? Can we run away to a special place? Can we run away? Can we run away? Can we run away?
time I catch up, say I got you. Watch a me do me quantia, I go catch you. Ya say me never fatter, they say I dey match you. We a better pair like a jellystone bear, stuck like a tattoo. We ain't gotta run away, we staying right here. We been through a lot, this ain't even close to a nightmare. Yeah, don't know who to decide, sorry, them offering. Can't wait till the day we go see when I'm offspring. But until then, it's me and you against the world. My winning, you didn't be a woman and stop being a girl. I the ever sama me sum ye, when I'm here. Oh, what do you groom with Jim? This is here, near me, yeah. I just wanna tell you how I feel. We go be together like ants on a hill, like keys on the piano, note for note. Campaign song for your love, give me your vote.
Alright, so we're doing some love music just because it's a Thursday. Mawaninya then be a woman and still being a girl. And those are words of ASEL. I sell music for my rain because this one ran away. And back in the days, this was actually the song people were using the lyrics to write letters. Yeah. Alright, so 35 minutes after 10, we see higher Henkai 93.3 of FM. Will be a Kwaba. If I want to say. And then Yawada, and then counselor's column. And she and the counselor aid in the warning. Everything common and pay. And our topic for discussion. Yeah, share. Who say? There were Mema Bebre Honoma. Omonije Obanwa. They go forward. They go. They go all out to propose to the girl or to the lady. But and they ever shall say. So Obano, Ufili Bemana, how do you tell him? So when you Beman were Quan Ben, so now fast catch name Poco catch any. Are you thinking of the the consequence? Ever say okay, just because I'm compared into about it me and Abisa. Yes, and I'll ferry, so wait to me I can. And I'll open your film crowd, say, can you crown? Beman be church and watch will be an abibisa. You ever no cancer baba now for your share the side effects. The negative ones. The positive is so we will also discuss here on the show. So stay tuned on 3.3 of FM.
I go catch you. You say me never fatter. You say I dey match you. We a better pair like a jellystone bear, stuck like a tattoo. We ain't gotta run away, we staying right here. Been through a lot, this ain't even close to a nightmare. Yeah, don't know who to decide, sorry, them offering. Can't wait till the day we go see one of offspring. But until then, it's me and you against the world. My winning, yeah, they be a woman and stop being a girl.
So I have a confession. So this song right here,
tell you how I feel.
I'm Pat. Me can one with the lyrics in the troll letter.
Note, pain song for your
girl schools are your letter whopper. To a special place. Some particular red now some can I feel like it's me. I mean me and you against the world, right?
See when I offspring, I go catch.
Yes, this side. From hard corner, and I'm winning your damn
tattoo. We ain't gotta run away, we staying right here. Been through a lot, this ain't even close to a nightmare. Yeah, don't know who to decide, sorry, them offering. Can't wait till the day we go see one of offspring. But until then, it's me and you against the world. My winning, you didn't be a woman and stop being a girl. I the ever sama me sum ye, when I'm here.
Nanka Kolam OSS.
Yeah, me,
oh, can't true, Mister.
We go be
my winning your day. Be a woman and stop being a girl. Depends on a girl. Oh, SS.
For your love, give.
Can we run away?
To a special place. Can we run away? Can we run away? I am a kind of more concern. Now come now, Master. What count? Opa, mama, come back into this. Yeah, show one more letters. What girls school is here? What I want more letter. One me school cramp. More than mama and can. Yeah, can't was in a come now. Oh, can't be. What's so true? Can't agree. And now they want your letter.
No.
Hey, boys in that. After prep, so be I call. That time now for empty of 40 free beyond 3 so about. We are just sad times and you go or bus that time now. And Kawamo go have your pie, a boy school and girls school for through.
I can't wait till the morning comes till I see your face, my favorite one.
I love you. You know it's true.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Your face, my favorite one. I love you. You know it's true. Oh, can we run away? Can we run away?
Can we run away to a special place?
Can we run away? Can we run away? Can we run away to a special place?
I got you. Watch out, me do me quantia. I go catch you. Ya say me never fatter. They say I they match you. We a better pair like a jellystone bear stuck like a tattoo. We ain't gotta run away, we staying right here. We been through a lot, this ain't even close to a nightmare. Yeah, don't know who to decide, sorry, damn offering. Can't wait till the day we go see when I'm offspring. But until then, it's me and you against the world. My winning, you didn't be a woman and stop being a girl. I the ever summer, me soon, yeah, when I'm here. Oh, what do you go with him? This is here, near me, yeah. I just wanna tell you how I feel. We go be together like ants on a hill, like trees
The
on the
mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Can we run away? Can we run away? Can we run away to a special place? Can we run
The
away?
mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Can we run away to a special place?
That's the life them living in the estate. I'm gonna be my wife, so she ain't go break no rules.
Hello,
that I
Ghana. This is
set.
your first Carolina, and I'm tuning into Kwabena Costy.
For eternity and yes for sure. I just have got to end for more. And don't bother about another girl about more. My girl, from the ghetto where we born and grow. It's only our kind of love we know. Nothing gonna stop us now. We loving us till we grow old.
My boy, from the ghetto where we born and grow. It's only our kind of love we know. Nothing's gonna stop us, no. We're loving us till we grow old, yeah.
I love you more. Come from the ghetto where we born and grow. And you are the only one that I know. My ghetto girl.
I love you more. Cause from the ghetto where we're born and grow.
Alright, so music from Stoneboy
The one that I
and Ari Logan, because this one get a lot. Once again, Mobi Kwaba the Bahin 93.3 FM. So your friend Jenny me champ on board in the Cosmos. Wait my friend Bruce man.
can't do nothing
Wait my friend Kwabena Costy. Me producers Akusu the Poduman.
you do.
DJ Shabu.
My baby
Not him about.
makes me
I
wanna.
wish you so I had that for
That's why you alone
I
represent
mean, Chechi, I'm a taxi driver as usual.
any land to give.
Brad David, good morning.
Desire. Lifetime service, now we are gonna
Stagger one, good morning. Pasco, good morning. MP3
hold my hands, let's play and dance.
and Komar Raouf, good morning. Bright Weezy, Charlie, who want to say Obama, good morning. Who want to say Obama, me too, can't you?
Where we born and grow.
Yeah, Frau Tanko, the taxi driver. Ricardo, good morning.
So girl.
I love you more, cause from the ghetto where we're
Obatampa, Jonathan.
I know.
Jonathan, good morning.
Too strong for your flatter sun blink.
Obo for Michael.
The truth and natural.
Menua, upon to say, maybe I will call.
No dirty things. I put her above all my things. That's why when other man them come in and them try act funny. She side by me, she not one.
Rejoice if you have been good morning.
Plain up a
And I'm a waffle JD.
that is about.
I call her no swag, bro.
Yeah, but what do not know?
Stop it, what to say.
System, my blood flow.
I
This girl, yeah.
said the phone in good morning.
Cherishing my love, my
Better man quine. Salum the Gambia.
own. Quality,
Chicha Wina.
my own. My black diamond out of slow. No matter what them are gonna do, I don't want to run me down. My girl, from the ghetto where we born and grow. It's only our kind of love we know.
Not gonna stop us now. We loving up till we grow.
My boy, from the ghetto where we born and grow. It's only our kind of love we know. Nothing's gonna stop us, no. We're loving us till we grow old, yeah.
I love you
get where we were born and grow. And you are the only one that I know. My ghetto girl. From the ghetto we were born and grow. And you are the only one that I know. My ghetto boy. Want to say I love you. Want to.
Now witching betching, yeah. Jump around in me, on a shade. Men so faith, I fade in a buyer. We are kicking a ball. Now, watching patching, yeah. What did it baby, Sarah, our family, I'm afraid. Send me to Hania, I've been in so myself. Oh, did it Sarah, what I ain't sweetie, I'm a sweetie. Oh, did it baby, Sarah, our family, I'm afraid. Send me to Hania, I've been in so myself.
The sea with me, but even through my tears, you drowned. And you said that you would bring the sun to me, but now there's heat between the two of us. You melt down to the ground. It's you that broke my world in two. I had to put it back together, but I don't have a clue. It's true.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Radio, papa, I'm looking tonight. I swear you too tight, baby moon. And everybody wanna mingle because you're just single, but you made it clear to them that I am your number one. On me, you they make me one color. Baby, baby. In a monocono, you took my
morning show, have a blessed day.
Now you see why Shabo is the best DJ in town right about now.
She took my heart away.
Undoubtedly,
You set my soul
Shabo
fire.
is the best DJ.
Desire.
In fact, my DJ is the best DJ.
What? Baby, the boom,
Hey, baby, the good person. Baby, a cool.
baby, I could know the door.
I'm
She go start to the sample lowest. You took my heart away. Because you too sexy. You too sexy. What I didn't put up on 100 watts. She took my heart away. Because you too hot. What I didn't put up on. She took my heart away. Oh, you were very risky, because she too sexy,
Baby, a cool.
baby, pia wakuno. I sing it, baby, I wakuno. Oh, baby, wine and eh. You dey make me one color. Baby, you too hot, you too sexy, you know what I could.
And I'm a person will be surprised, Shabo Mami.
Baby, mo, what
say obi shabu surprise about try na mo fa shabu nko lunch oh send your guy the bomb no dey bia no mo fa nko lunch da back why ene your point ya na obi twen no nti mo be fa shabu nko lunch ne why That's so neat. Controversies. That's so neat. They make me want to love. Baby, you walk on. I sing it, baby, you walk. And Obian son Canada. Oh, baby, wine and wine and I. That's a main kind of message. But Obian Canada, me and I say, my DJ is the best DJ. Go so count the count the hey. What the wine? My motivational message. Kaisha, I think 93.3 of mid morning. Adwuma no was good out here. And before me go break, me person me here motivational message in quick. Na me fuck was be me and 7 pen. I'm come be church shabu mami. Money trum ne dem mami ne. Mami ya motivational message in quick pa. Right, I no pay motivational message in free. Dorin Addy. Now, I don't pay the all country and say things go wrong, so you can appreciate them when they are right. And sometimes things fall apart. Sometimes good things fall apart, so better things can fall together. Things go wrong, so you can appreciate them when they are right. And sometimes good things fall apart, so better things can fall together. Dorinadi has someone come up at 20 years. What's it? Sometimes in your essay, send your bear a saba on Sebu Bioma. Ube appreciate it, and I say, Ube Kramuye. I yank of fourth, I can't say, be said. I dear be crowd, who so far so I just say fruits. To be say be crowd. I get fruits say you who so far so. Ain't in the sano, at the chrono sabba bioma. So ma, what the any jebi, what the akuma pabi, in fact, oh, what the chrono. And the senoma a fruitsa, and a senoma call wronga. A call wrong send your bear a bound seven next time. You appreciate it. And now, I would be the don't mammy fan call relationship. Sometimes say, boy, I will church a hunchani. Boy, I will visit on Yashi, on finding Yashi. Or through say na a chirebi so or Saba Baka. Wow, Bekutan we. Because we say, baby, I'll join now, coin or yan. Oh, Becatros, ye, me and come a tramedy and hosa. Anya she crass and cannot pay bia. And they debia me 15 20 cities video and come and account. Maybe I'm quite a 7 cities. I thought that 6 cities. In a crank, I'm a tramedy and hosa. Sana Braboti. And sometimes I wa no maybe fruit, sir. And now who's so fast? Sana Mamma no so more bomb might be so japan. Over bonus so jan. Or finding she, or fruit, same call. For be who know why you're fine. The skin ya tosso, shanta di pa. I feel when you need a person to talk for me. A banana send Yamia do me no sa September. When you have some sasra, you could tell them we upon, so be fruits at all. And to Dorinadi, as someone can say, sometimes a no man call wrong, send your bear, so sack canny be a man, or be appreciate it. It's more or less now, as Simeon said. A dear be a crowd, be a man in Somobo. Send your identity, be a man in Somobo. Not some year named Fruits Uncle. Because the fruits are on air bar or the pressure for front air bar. What I say? Sada Rabonet here. To say, Kobe praise, Kobe praise, yes, sir, na gay you call it. After what Chabeg use on back because Tama now on chain and now finding your shade. And then now I'll put Chabeg on bada. Hey, Timmy Stroh. Why don't baby I me do the cancer? People want some other baby. What's the best? I say Johanna with the best. Color Studios and they get embroidery. That's what I say. It's already photography, birthday photography, studio photography, picture framing in the passport picture. Now they are called Color Studio and they get embroidery. I watch more than Liberty Transport. Hope see this can offer my 0245 276638 0245 276638. Now, I see, and then maybe some more shabu to me any day. That's a motivational message. Make trust so short. So, baby, I do by yourself. Wow, baby, I'm Ponsa. Why like I said, my motivational message in us. And then, person be my first bomb here. Why won't you so come be none in there? No, because Endran and send a guy in a bonum. 0554820910. The far cost means up here. 0554820910. Shabo be so who that already who. But your bra Facebook, who be on Timechi? Bra Facebook now share video. Who be on Shabo Timechi? Or purchase manka. Or purchase share. Shabo purchase rough. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Hello.
Yeah, hello, good morning.
Fine morning.
It is saying.
Hey, when I was there.
I'm not doing what you're for so free.
You're from Ima make us free order.
Ima, me say Shabo the best DJ. What do you say?
Oh, what's that? Mbapabu and Janka, Mbefani PA.
What's the one?
Shabo, no, what's that? Mbapabu and Janka, Mbefani PA.
What's the one?
Mr. Shabo, no, what's that? Mbapabu and Janka, Mbefani PA.
What's that, man, Pabwa?
Janka, Mbefani PA.
Magatelo. Hey, I have so Shabo me for corner here. Me to us on here, baby. But I'm from Munya, first call not to bomb. Not me shompa one. And I am a papa. What study does those?
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day. The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Across my room as I waken from another dream of you. You be staring at me, giving me a kiss, say honey, play me a song, simple melody. Maybe something will say, although baby, wait till you nyam ya again. You came along when I was nobody. Then show me how to be somebody. Hey, Baba, hoy, bashi, oh, I go die with you. Get a bad boy, feel so bad, and say, oh, my love. You bring out the best in me. The best
baby. So hold on to my hand as my lady. This way that you're not today. Came a long way, I was nobody. Hey, show me how to be somebody. Yeah, Baba, who am I? She fair, boy. I would die for you in Gabo Babo. The free song, yeah, run to sell. My love, my love, my love. The best in me. You bring out the best in me. The best in me. Touch of your hand. Touch of your hand. The best in me.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Feeling me a good time. I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Loving the thought in me, I am so obsessed. I want to chop your own. Never did a mechanism. Open up, make us feel. Yeah, my love, one thing. Make a bad man sing. I go spend for your head. Talk all they want, I don't care what they say. Cause your matter, now him I con the carry for my head every night. Now you I want to carry to my bed. Oh no no, don't tell me no no no. You can be my partner, never ride it solo though. And we got no one lucky, no need to party whoa. I feel it what you're doing, oh yeah baby, gotta go. Oh, no. Your body they back at me, sweet. Open up, make I see. Now you where they got my fancy. Don't they do me, I keep banky. Oh no 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 no.
You got me coming. Why should I be coming early in the morning? Oh yeah, shake it, make it spend my money. Call me Mr. Bean, I go make you horny. Hey, give me, baby, make you give me. I go show you love in the
right. So music of CK. Mami try me home right. Shall we chance? Said I was sana one. First I knew into.
Fine girl, you know you.
Mami uncle break the bra. Right. So now the 3.3 of was your basis here.
Ghana Kuyafwe, Adama West Africa, Adwuma, Adama West Africa, agrochemical company, what Israel. Now, what Nasia human who say, a Kuyafwe Tom Nebia, if we had to meet Jim Funina at the bosso, Nitiru any esre, say esre Naju Fua Bossodia, and an American for a jail at the amount. Would you know maybe to say, Enkruma, tomatoes, Nyadua, watermelon, Meko, Ayoyo, Anafe, Abroba, Abra, esre nefi for fra ebano, if you agil no first spray, esre swanson, wet to a quakutim, and as I would wet him per now the agil, a spray, esre Ninaso, Shanoson, Mema esre ni bebre ansa na the agil akwaku spray so de hia sa obehwe 10 tomatoes eketo ano no ahye ba akopɛ de agu kafukafu afidie yi mu na do ensuo 15 liters afra wo di spray pɛ wawie wadwuma sa wo de agil spray wafu ase a ɛma enhyerɛne a wo no ban na agu no entingu ɛno achi no akuefo ɔmo nso dua bibi te sɛ beans enkateɛ ana fe so ya beans no ɔmo nso hwehwɛ vezil ekumfue na ase prɛkopɛ edi free sa no bɛyɛ ase de sɛ wo yɛ nie unya hu sɛ emfue na hyase e ba pɛ hwehwɛ vezil na first spray na sa wo di spray so pɛ ubetu emfue na se nyinaa wotɔ vezil a betimi de spray wafu na se empre nwotwe eno kure anso spray 1.5 acres eya no afa 30 mils anaso obesusu atra ye dididie no miensa na wodi nso 15 liters afra benya bia to ewo agrochemical shop bia eben wo Ghana fa na nyina anase wo befre 0544 325 030 ana 0270 575 030 Adama West Africa Ghana kuafo ye jimudi
Anobites ye dro bi ana misisi pa ya me yaye enso me no anobites no aboa me
adono manumbi na me to ase ntini mu na etwetwe me pa na mu hwehwe me se de nyame adomi na ejan
madrono aboa me papa na me ne me rekompoma enduru 1 minute na me ho aba me nom 1 bottle ti sei me ne yire da be 30 minutes nti madrono de eye pa fan fabra mo
me din de ya mesa e to anobites e kono me ne ka so aboa me pa na misisi na ya me ya na beto no mo ye eno ame no mo ye ekọ bibia akọ kama de sei me tim bo adwuma ye
ya frɛ me Abdul Jalil Shaibu na me wo haw bi a eye se me ne me yire ehia mu a sesia na me ho asani me e ma me tumrika koto bi me no me ye no yare no akọ
asa no bi tese no de do fa ase nsisi ye ya to ya nso no me ni nyina akọ me ka tere obi o no ma no bi tese ne ya do papa ebe boana ma ne yare bi e wo ya
ano heba bitters na ano heba capsules enura yu koto bi atoni mienu ebom ubanya bi ato e wo achemoda ha ochini ba drugstore na Ghana ha drugstore bia heba shop bia ubanya bi ato
no bitters no bitters
Manyama did ma bibes wa mi su
say dear me fear higher dem me kuna your best man
say dear mania jampa esa ne best man capsules amensaka no enua hini haba mani ndu time papa bi ene dia ye best man capsule enti free neko best man capsules enti mema nyina ye free say yes sisi yade
ye best man capsules
say bema wa ho ade abafo ana wanya premature ejaculation
best man
say ye low sperm count ana bema ontime nyuso yi prostate cancer ana syphilis ne gonorrhea enam yare bia
oh best man
ne testicular cancer and penile cancer best man capsules to us yesia enti member ye free best man capsules do papa is Chad Herbal Center almost Hansa Street and the best man capsules abadwaso enti we ye bema entra ho ma ya die mu bia eni unyada obo adwuma ama wo yama wo mo sadia medie chimiswe ubanya bia to e ba bia to nro bia
Ekoko Owuskobi Pharmacy BB Chemicals Ebenezer Chemical Shop Hillside Pharmacy Fab Drugstore Empire So ASM Pharmacy Enyinam Agboko Drugstore Achimordan LB Amuafu
Ochiniba Drugstore Amuafu Drugstore Tumesi Drugstore Kennedy Drugstore Kofisco Drugstore Anafi Always Drugstore Kade Martin Kumi Drugstore New Abrim Hotness Chemical Shop
Koforidia Gapsin Pharmacy and Delight Pharmacy Accra Case Walk Herba Kumasi Polinak Herba
and now to phone friend 020-8288-099 Best Man Capsules you marry my head.
Draw on the 2nd of April 2022. Golden City Park. And you rap your Jesse with family.
Akimodan, I'm also there in Echo. Family in Yankopon Adwuma on the 2nd of April. Rap your Jesse. Golden City Park. Family may rap life. Watch out. Blessings from the Most High. Trust.
Sada no brabesha was one number swap. Girls, boys, sisters, brothers. Yesham Ewo Golden City Park. And Brian Ghana's number 1. Family and party big time park. Rap your Jesse. Man, I was supporting. So Jesse for your family and party big time park. Mom Kaina Shannon so you're free. I mean, won't you ask Kabia? You're free. And so Jessica, Yesham Golden City Park. DJ Rich Boy and you're back to MC's the Hitman. And I feel microphone go. And to tell a friend say on the 2nd of April 2022, Golden City Park. And one day boss and you rap your Jesse. This event is sponsored by Wambe 77 and V8 Liquor. For information, call 0244 668288.
Hey, Obama, me say me who cry during me. I used to be obedient one dance at you, and then as a sammy by a robbery. So what you was in so here, tra. Nasa wun cha, Bomadi na copiumu.
Hey, Nasuku Benquano.
A great Omega Academy.
Great Dien.
Great Omega Academy. Our natural quan walk of Phobia Cocron to me, a premante muheya.
Sir, a premantem heya. Number the bang.
Obabra, Mrs. Sukui, a buyer, and see a woo. No teacher, some quadia, ultras are ucha. Omega courses need to say general arts, visual arts, business, home economics, general science, and technical. Baby, I obey suppodie. A man in your dream, Sukunu hostel can see on more Yamasiafu.
Unia, and if I make a honor,
Hera, Penny Quatra phone number, na friend Nejimunchrimu, a 0243 21 47 20, and 0543 90 9502. Great Omega Academy. Impossible is possible.
Salute. Hey. When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow. Any offense will be
and what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Musamaya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarua who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and Yarua Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy who buy every home. And now pa one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya woman wonti mpo se yare ese omo ho imbu seba mesha ewo kanshi ene o maimu babia yeto enuro etufo mfre 0246 208496 imbu seba mesha police ni no edro no enkratwe FDA asayase
Mido, asa na die fia e hrampao.
Ha, eye ban 20 ena ma efia ehwehwe hwamsa no.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eye JA ban ni enko limited. Ena wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ni se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nan sen kwada nyoma ni ate se wan. Eye parazo no na me de sie.
Mido, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni nyina afiro. Na adie ba de na ahura poto bi di isi
eya akasha no a na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia papepata asusu nyina so atese wan no
nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eya JA Biny snake reparent na me de atu o masesa no
enu omo wo niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amede ma wa horo won sai uhu ana ai enu aso na me de wo horo ncha si mu nyina da
ene we die me di adanse akira mansan fa no mo wo
JA Biny womunioma no ubenya biato wakuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabuase boga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo pani do so pomu atua ubenya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie
ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
me dofo na nso mudi ni body say
eye JA Biny and call limited.
Me drew ho sesia.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
They say roses are red and now violets are blue. All I can tell you right now, baby. I feel like Shakespeare right now.
Oh, my baby, baby girl. My baby, baby girl. My pretty, pretty girl. My baby, baby girl. My baby, baby girl. When you love me, we working.
And I've always loved you.
But I never have a guts to say this.
You see, I never wanted to lose you to another, so I had to practice
my word.
But I still find them hard to come by, so please try and read my lips. Once we were kids, but now we older. I gotta stand my feet and family like a soldier. Tell it to your face that I love ya. Say this over and over. Once we were kids, but now we older. I gotta stand my feet and family like a soldier. Tell it to your face that I love ya. Say this over, my baby, baby girl.
My baby, baby girl. My pretty, pretty girl. My baby, baby girl. My baby, baby girl. My baby, baby girl. My pretty, pretty girl. My baby, baby girl. My baby, baby girl.
Girl, I know you love me too, but it always felt so shy to say your words. And I had to tell your friends among other guys, you know I am the best. See, mommy kinda craving pity and mommy show them my time for one in a ferry. Hey, you would eat me tea, mommy woman, I'm dead, I say, we'll be cool, me a ferry. Cause I come in, you're not this someone. I have to try. And I know you and I, girl, will live forever.
My baby, baby girl.
Come on, you don't need to be told. I'm deep from my baby, send around and let it. So, girl, when me look pan in your eyes, I am keep realizing that you're the only perfect one for me. Someone ready to pay your price, no need for me to think it twice. Would you take me to what your man? Tell me your mind, girl. Tell me your mind, girl. Cause you're the only one that makes my heart to twist and twirl. Come around, my girl, but saw me, son, my uncle said. You just make my head this swirl, girl, girl. Yeah, you just make my head this swirl.
My baby girl. My baby, baby girl. My pretty, pretty girl. My baby, baby girl. My baby, baby girl. My baby, baby girl.
dey feel say she dey feel the same way I do. But she dey call me brother. I know they bab that thing. Cause sometimes we dey act like lovers when we dey do more things. My bestie, my bestie, my bestie, my bestie, my bestie. If you dey hear this song, just know say somebody fall for you. My bestie, my bestie, my bestie, my bestie, my bestie. I know say I don't for catch feelings, but it be too risky to lose you to another one. So somebody tell me what I for you. Cause I know I lose waiting, I get plus you. So somebody tell me what I for you. Cause I know I lose waiting, I get plus you. Is it my brain or my body? Maybe my heart's nowhere. Say you're the kind of you know me name say my tea she would do. Oh bestie, yeah. Whatever you did, I say you for hear me today. I don't care if I shy for your face. So bestie, you know they wonder why. The guess no they come away no more. Sometimes your jealousy self they blow my mind. But they give me vim so I knock them all. Now as you there your guys shine. I hope say we go fit to go the next level. Cause the feeling they grow strong. Make we look sharp before we start to blame devil. Oh, fly us some mommy. And ya came in the sumabo. And ya your papa some mommy. And ya came in the sumabo. Somebody tell me what they for you. Cause I know I lose waiting, I get plus you. Somebody tell me what they for you. Somebody tell me what they cause I know I lose waiting, I get plus you. Is it my brain or my body? Maybe my heart's no. You're the kind of you know me.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
You know I like it when you stay. You know I don't want you to go. You know you always make my day, but I can't be your lover now. You know I really dig your love. Baby, we've got to take it. You do everything to make me smile, but I can't be your lover now. Don't know what to do. I'm scared of getting my heart broken, boo. And if so, it's not replaceable. Cause now you are defined. Help me make up my mind. Yeah. Should I be your lover? Yes. No. Yes.
Okay, so 18 minutes after 11, Nebuchadnezzar also goes out with 93.3 FM. There's a message from Kobe Praise. Mamin Kaina Fe.
Let me know. Yes.
I'll say tell your DJ to go to Kobe Street Food location around Caprice Junction, just opposite the latest foam depot for lunch. The best fast food joint in Akemodan and its virals, and tell him to mention my name when he gets there. Kobe Praise, why a free advert but no yawa because Shabo Koji Chu Intino. Shabo Intino Mamin Kanitri was it called Kobe's Street Food. Say no. Lunch can. Okay. It is also called just opposite the latest foam depots or Joe Udu on man Bonidinke. Why shall okay, be patrol. Yes, Manka. Would you be? You guys all know the shall be patrol. What chat are those shadows so use whether the same what they are. Okay. Me patrol said the party ba. Now the shower dimba busana questions me and Safa in kind of hey, what's what that you know about? Obi be di kan ko. Yeah, mistake, fa.
So would you be my lover now? I'm doing things I've never done. I'm giving all I have to give. I'm feeling like I found the one.
Me patrol Shabo o share Adidas Stra red. And o share Adidas Mpaboa red and black. And o share top pantalon Louis Vuitton black. And o share che there so Jeep. Aha, ready here pa mami che ni. Me patrol Shabo Oshe Adidas trousers, black and red and white. Oshe Adidas and Pabwa, red, white and black. Oshe pantalon. Louis Vuitton pantalon. Imiano kon. I finna kill myself. Okuno. Oshe pantalon Louis Vuitton, black. And oshe deep jeep. And so eche black and one no. Obi enti and who kotobi shadia. O awase. Kotobi shawa awase ba.
Sina so.
Somebody obi message adi. One funny thing about my number and my friend and I'm disabled. The number is 059 5599848. Or say I'm on my way going there. My Jerry.
This one I'm waiting from you. The one I'm about dear true. Other day say I don't.
I just also call Louis Vuitton deep jeep near the idea. Yes, how do I am from now? Ati kobi praise catch up say obi baby
when the menche
o ma ye hu say shawo a
me hu so am into mingaza
me ba chon yankopon ya Adwuma first April abo anasa chema abo Royal Association ebe shesi abo the backgrounds wo let's just say we are part of this association I am men you hu free be here laborers be here mason for carpenter for and now for ma we am ho dey me ko nsuo dey am aye 1st of April na yen see the background so and now for G contributions be say unya ntwa wo dey na 055 3715 406 055 3715 406 Pacho number all the best send ye aguzwana no. ODI electronics.
I need someone.
Now production me who am fan. Come back on ODI production. As the production me also need to pay so. I thought that me who they have me cry. So Pacho open TV, fridge, deep freezer, gas cooker, kettles, washing machines in there. Bra ODI electronics. Achama boabo. And kind of premises here, yeah. The board that form the board for the try installment. Over to my friend 0550900600 0550900600. Now, Councillor Edwin, Wabet Nas, Wabekans. I may say, and I have a share. Oba, when it Jibema be one. Over to me, I catch it and say, Bra, Benijo, Minyam no betna, Minyam no bobra, Minyanka Kofi, Koshamikawa. Na obeka yi kra obadwe ho se na beka ko wie sen obeka se me kire me ho obeka se me ana me dia ba obeka se sei ana dey and then come we be dia counselor wa hanum say me to me answer he's here akwaba
yeah kwabna
counselor
e bia boko dey
akopa do bia boko pa
okay yes ya wada sa atu ye bio ye dia afi yes me kwabna me nyusu ene program no fa ma me police ni ba ko fun ase e really no William Kunedu and run no dinner birthday kese pa
okay oh mami you so this platform na me happy birthday and come amia menua Nathaniel Ofori okay nkofo shada nim ni din nyina ba ne mami body din ni full name Nathaniel Kwabena Ofori and nkofo friend Kwabena Ofori ono no reporter this side the man UTV and Peace FM
okay
and then the birthday Kwabena Ofori owodin ba ko bi me kan on he on me nkasa the whole Copy say na go pay for na ben no abom pom binyansa me boss head ni batanya hwe Ofori happy birthday Charlie yankopon sha no nyo kase pa it kan am pacho afi yantinsi
okay itino kwabra mami nchia owo me afia po so adru na first lady so enyini nchia kase pa anya sa asembeba yeah baby obi am chia na no pay yeah star be ni chief so yeah Minchom pa yes. Kwabna na de obese the topic for the day no well and then the baby be me man fan sa and then the bombshell but the baby be me man fan sa yes na send na wo bisa se kwabna ye ka se ye ana se so ne kwan so no se oba baby na no ase be ma pe yes. And that is it there abaso and I say before I even start my speech the abaso 21st century but me bisa me say no if 21st century and then you design and be for free. But most of the things that are happening, Toronto crackers be who are new under the earth. The admit me I can say that idea of 21st century. Me do baby I was say a limited man. You can't tell me say 21st century indeed. Say be obetumi sorry and opa catch on say 21st century on shatter there now the nam for I mean ye die abef ye die no come now this institution we are talking about it goes beyond 21st century. The 22nd century will come and then they will still get married. The 23rd century will come. Send near 19th century or more. Sana 21st 20th aba and 21st so aba. It means it is moving according to the Senenet, it is never going to change. So who wants to sign you, it is up to you to do all those things inside. Then you say the pattern no send your dinner down. And at 21st century, okay, be anything I say, ya wo was I mean can once me obese obedi can say must say Cameron Diaz for no. Yeah, let's move on. Come now, straight to the point. It's very humiliating. So me can say, me kwabla me humiliating. You can say, bibi humiliating. Just say, kwabla where did you come in and tree and kabe and in the
me okay, me fa. I mean, can't say I'm meeting as you. I had to say, yeah, read you.
Obi abon was a browse.
Aha.
We all
me the right way.
Yeah.
The right way. So, aha. Sasa say in Mguasia, but
yeah, well, I know what form.
I say a tang
yes. Yes, you can be humiliated obi and I can attend. Oh, when he say baller so at DB and you are said there were form the right word na me use humiliate when you are humiliating somebody. Just a woman not try and we are say yes, it is
ofanya shebi.
Yes. Atanta on fane shi. Eti kwabna in the first point I make one say oba kote na no esebe mapa kwabna it is against the law of natural justice and America. You shouldn't dare go near that point. Kwabna ebi told me where I don't know say bia minim say na unya prophecy bia and I did twice so the family some happened to me. Ono this school send me a letter no the buy. And when I received the letter, yes, at a point in time, na ne ho adwene anana I even felt shy. Na me hu ni say we dey under normal circumstances mean to me men no enka sa asem we nche no. But ode no ho buy no, I took advantage of that. Emma me be hu ni say no, we could say onyo bia. And yes, because I'm a fan, they say onyo bia anything. I took things for granted. At the end of the day, it didn't end anywhere. It was just time wasting, resource whatsoever. Why? Because on none of day no buy. I wasn't ready. I wasn't prepared for her. It's my fan. Me fan at time ye or ye be just say. And after all, say wow. Come on, so let me go on. Say, Oba according to the good books, no. Come on. And I say, I can't remember minim this adage. I'm say, krama ni chinfife dompe, enye dompe, ene chinfife krama. Kwabna, ye nimu nyansanse kanefo no. They know the reason why. I almost say, krama ni chinfife dompe. Enunti de di kan bo Adam kane, ansa ne yebo Eve. Enunti eno se be ma beja wanka se oba. Now, these are some of the things that starting relationship, and I say if you want to go into it, you should take careful and I say be aware of some of these things. Then say you shouldn't go and then propose to a man. It is never here or there. If you mutimia oba enye ne kwan so no. A man will look say why a desperate on what born so. That is the first point. Kwabna so ba ko bie wa no ka kire be ma say opena adwe ba be ma ne trim ni say o ho bo ho so Wonam na wonya obi apapa bia. Yes, we di enka on be on so be ma na mepe. We di enka ne bibia na enka mani gye ho se na oye na ade a menya be ma se a enka mepe. But busa ho se ono onya oba sa opana. That is the mistake you are making. Wo di no wo di si wani so say se na oye no nyoma dwene me ho abema we di o makwan mu a se na tenten ne kese o makwan mu Kwabena nka mepe. Kwabena busa se ono a wo kɔ ne hɔ na wo keka sa asɛm na kyɛ no busa ho sɛ so ono so pɛ oba sa na. And that is where the mistake is. Enti se bema ni mom ne ba ya eyo bema na wo kɔ ware no enti ono be ka fine. That is the natural way, because at the end of the day that is how God has meant it to be. Enya wo hyehyɛ enti so your ba na wo tie mi a bema na ni gye wo ho a please do things to the extent or to the level where ebemo no abebie na no aka kire wo say sister me pese me no tena.
Na cast me about what if my try all efforts my any amaye bia but I still he's not looking my way.
Kwabena enya wo dia. That is a simple answer. Enya wo dia. Obi a Kwabena na de yenye nipa ye ni feelings. What are you talking about? Say you are doing everything to catch the attention of the man. And until would is maybe to aquam, you are doing send no ye nyoma eye wo fe no. Also you are replicating the same thing. And that then or no dear. Want to mean take it means a branch and crown in the first place. Question mark one. Why? Because if say the wo ye na ye ne fe to the extent say bi kura Kwabena wa catch and say for now only na dinkoma kodu baby mo no kura hu say obi ani wa brabom. Kwabena, do get me? What man I clear to the person say obi ani ma brabom. And you are doing things for say betching attention say oh so obi ani wa brabom dia me yes send a be ya betchu because what they already know obi bia ye me fe. And then awo ye we ni na no still a branch yin na adwene say Debbie, there's a question mark. You are going to enter into a relationship with a fiero obi a bibiem fan when it comes to emotional matters, and I say when it comes to love only sad the amount you go in that let Obeka Church say you want to force it. This is what I don't want to hear. The moment a Bema Beka Church say na me pona me nye ready man
wa do buy
enti me busa say what dey wakoma ba akoto sa chacha and relationship issue aye kan wasem aware ne mpena twen mu no Kwabena sad the way it is bound to happen ntokwa ne beba ntokwa ne besi akasakasa ne beba. If it goes beyond that point Obeka Church say me say bema bia no pressure ne ba on tietie mu nye ne baby sister obena wontumi as sister onyoma wo after all you wona wo ka kire me anase wona wo do ho bai I wasn't ready for this. Yes, even a man mpo ye ma ye ho kwan say ye mom na ye nsem pe na ye nware mo no e to da mutumi mpo bie ma no ka of which yes
because me ba mama can success message you say but we also approach the ladies without knowing their thoughts, so why can't they do same?
Good, we approach them without their thoughts because that is the natural phenomenon. And no na kwan ya da ho a ye di so emra na sa na tie Kwabena say wasora no pass dware ye nware free na ase ye dware free ye trim. Do you get me? Yes, you can't tell me that the fact that u dware free na ase yes u be dware awie but say u dware free trim a you feel how good who the way a nyoma tie but u ko dware free na ase a also be kama but one kasa who the stress a be look so unusual amount. That is how it is. And the natural idea say the fact idea edi akire from na ye home koba no edi akire the ubutu anamo to ekoba ne ho pe all everything and I say all the natural things around no accept it, say yes you are doing the right thing, so let us back you. But so ba no bem so be catch say na niji ho a you are making a very big mistake. Kwabena na maka no e ma be ma ne hu say we are desperate unam ho na ho abon ho so at the end of the day
cause I hear say yo e bia me so me yada no me feel
okay
na bitumi nka
okay
this are ono no de no ho aba ono abe catch me pe mitumi nka e no aba ono ankasa so
ha Kwabena wait that one is also Kwabena how would you know say ope like the other oba no oba dey hu sisi a say Kwabena ope. That is it. That is the question. And no about be see here ya. Oba ne to ho. Kwabena wo a wo ti ozi a wonim say ope. What is it? It's different. It's Kwabena oba frame. Counselor abayewa okoi manage no ho. Akukuduro ni ho. Mesrew. Emwa be na betumi afa so aboa me yakọ nanim. Ye na ye ho ni na ebi ato ye na pen. Then eno no Kwabena se me mpo na me kekan ya I am even so ba mpo o ka kire oba e na oba lead you ekokama wa. Enye oba na be se ope. Eye wo be ma no because your intentions no you have made it known to somebody. And wakoboa wo e na maka na asem na si. That is Kwabena enwua no ma omo nkan go for mind ah. Yeah. Does it mean say eye oba na be kan? No. Enti na be ma na wani je hu ntumi nka. It's a different issue altogether. And no wo be ma no wani je hu. What do I say? Enti the fact that oba no say wani je oba no no oba no ye nyoma also we dear me so oba we minya na me pe. You shouldn't waste time.
Minya can make say we can say success no ko be praise we can say but mama can you see we are educating the public.
Okay.
Me growing up me na me ho afi yes you say
me myself so make ho ase
me na me a fine boy pa and me ni one lady be edit here on mom na like or approach me.
Okay.
Yes, and as time the course on I also felt same for her, and then twice one there but unfortunately she left the country to me and twice with you. I don't think say so no back forward because say because me mom there me ni adwin bia sa say make us what to say but obi on cry in the J say hey Charlie man you see that oh sad you know but my colleagues now be na my share boys still be so adwin so ba eba forward ebe busa sa how do you feel oba fan say o efufule anase maka triple fan say efufule anase ozo no woni be je ho anase bibisa I mean kind message you from Rejoice or say as for today there I disagree with counselor.
Okay.
And then there's another message here from Kobe. He says, okay. Also, so can't a woman love a man genuinely and propose to him? To me, I think it will even be a disgrace if a man tells a woman, I never proposed to you, but you did. I don't agree entirely with what counselor is saying. There are, I think, is it proper or there are POP men? There are POP men and they take advantage of those opportunities when they come across one. And so
Kwabena yeah okay so he disagrees na me can say be say Kwabena one yes it makes you look cheap and desperate. So ba okoye sade na we are talking from the men's point of view. Enti nipa no ne me enya adwene until the me can you know he be am free ba. I am a man talking and I use myself as an example. One, it makes you the woman me be man na me tia na wo be see me pe no. My thoughts, everything makes me look like you are cheap and desperate. Two, it makes you lose your worth as a woman. Oba the sumo bo say ye kasa oba no. Now three, decision making for the man. You lose your like oba no ono be say open in the near future in the relationship it will come to bear. Because at the end of the day I was the one who took the needed decision, the most prominent decision, and I'm a say open. Until when I'm talking, yes, it will come to bear. And Kwabena send na make creation. Listen, yemfa enya na obo hu. Kwabena ye bo Eve wie no. Ye bo Adam ansa na make say misa. Kwabena ye bo Eve wie asem na Adam kan. And the Bible say wejai.
Message bina chimadwe won hasisia. Wan fa ne di amba de. Okay. But as a shortcut it's not very simple to na me kan game. But the person actually said mema mienu and I'm approaching the sister.
Okay.
But uncle baby like stress something the film na there. Okay. Now next sister nkasa approaching one man.
Okay.
And now papa the man accepted and okay. Or say into your man worry for 6 years.
Kwabena, I'm not saying say I talk me can assembly say Kwabena udware free na ase na they be a udware fruit trim, but and then they decide so be dware fruit na say. I'm not saying say dware na nko so. But we are looking at a general case. Kwabena we be 1 out of 1,000. Ebi na be ma na okonya no. And I'm making you name the you share a lot of research about them. Maybe they were in the same work field. And I okay, maybe Krana already nankasa na me watching can be a man already ye shared that. And the fact that a bit too muno and I may relax it and will be also yes or respected the fact that Obana crass sine penno or person who ye bibi ma Obani who say yes, the extreme cases. But on the normal day say ye can no my yen na mafwe say aba. So bema be so oba be so pa. Me say Adam who oba no kwabena say men or kind.
What
are you talking about? What say only obi also on me enya adwene no. What is the meaning of this? And your ban in the who no cancer asem no. And your ban where was it written say obane ka say we nsu me. No. Be man in the sea where ye me don't pay. It means the man has to do the work. Oba betumi akoye be ya be farmer. But what I'm telling you, say, if you should do this, oba anayenwa no ma yes the fact that when it jino ho no, na me say beba say enti counselor we be ye ho ekwan be na be fa so asisade we ano kwan. And I say how can we be able to merge sanyoma we? Yes, na ka edi ho komo but say oka say it is the right way. Say oba enko se be ma pe. It is not the right way. Enye sa na tie. Natural phenomenon ye num zo mfa ye hwinim. Sabi ya num so efa ya num eti mesre say if be man ni je wo ho a na wo so wani je be man ho a yes and I make whatever you are doing stay in line there wo ye bia no when you can count mu adwen a che no you are not dating or you are not into any courtship now mani hu then you watch na you hwe and I make the man sense of manhood no say oh ye bold enough to approach a woman so be catch them yeah na den tina Kwabena won say sister bi twam na boys ya linking am no wakoma e bin told her
e bi ato pa me hu message bu ha me ti ase yi o say Kwabena decision making is hard. Although it challenges traditional gender role and gender norms in brofo na me ti ase no or say heterosexual relationship. More women are choosing to propose to the men in their lives than ever before. I did same, and I tell you what, we are good to go.
Kwabena, all that he's saying, I make sure say we or this are heterosexual. I'm not into. They make kind of say, Kwabena, let's follow the natural course, and I said the natural way of doing things. That is where the main castle religion, but yeah by a traditional setting, yeah cultural dispensation ya wom ya Kwabena. Send ye hu nyoma. Ye cultural dispensation ye kokremosumu a ye bema to the extent po say papa nimpo ne ware ma ye so ye ba ye so ye die mu a akan fom papa nimpo ne ware Kwabena so be ade ni chase free. It means I say Kwabena, oh, you are trying to tell the lady to help you marry. So ban be so pa. Then means the lady should rather buy things
of amra.
Ono na so de nyoma because ono be so pa. Na so ono de nyoma ne ba na de be wow. Because anya wo but this is the case ukofa ne ba. Kwabena hwade we mame fa the Abraham issue no. And the last example. Abraham esman. So omon konko pe oba. Emra. Do you get me? Yes. Ebia, I don't know. I didn't think a man yes for Isaac. Or smile see uncle Pel ba emra. Kwabena, it goes beyond sending you until so what the offer 21st century any idea. Papa phone what the obane kwa de omona se otiasia. Adwuma ni na ya omo. Yes o papa na ware ma. Yen dispense cultural dispensation ya wahai. Enya religion asem.
Mehu message do from Philomena.
Okay.
Or see, although there is no Bible verse that speaks on this issue, the concept of a man taking the initiative to propose actually does have some foundations in scriptures.
Yeah.
God created the man first.
Good.
And then created the woman from the man's rib.
Good.
Then the Lord, hey, you're the quotation poem. Then the Lord God made a woman from the rib he had taken out of the man.
Okay.
And he had brought her to the man. So this should be the usual norm and not the other way around.
Good. What I say? At the end of the day, on no a buy. You get me? And we not say this is who no say this is the bone of my bone, the flesh of my flesh. On your banner be can say let's follow now a man who no my see me. Me see when it ho ani. And you may be a whole year to get his attention. Gusu na ye. You are in line. Oh ye di obey bia. E mani enye wa adwene say, what if I lose him? If you lose him, he didn't want you. Because onye nsie oba besra wo ne bon komo. We need din komo phone so. What my key with intentions, I'm not going out. Me a single. Yes. What my sad we ni na, what my be man nehu. Eti u be man no. Na dem bi okwam na dey. What to the extent my to me catch us I'm not even going. Am do say na be kasa asem na che.
I'm not even going out.
Na dey bi din komo. Oh, ene dey me unye stew bia na me magibi one man na di. Na just because you are trying to get the attention of the man. To the extent say on to me mie na no kan cho say. Come na e bi kra da ko kra there you can go to the extent say I like everything. How we on your ma me pe bibia about you. Say minya bemma bi won e be na odi
bemma bi te se wa
minya bemma bi te se wa
come pepper
enka me pepper the way a wo yi on your ma odwen be me nware ya mini boy senka minya bemma bi te se wa then you wait and see ebi we kwada wa ya adwuma be 50% o na kwabena wa ya saa de ewi na se wentumi emie na no anka how eti for we de mumnam
ebi I know a POP could praise tell him to consider the POP men to everything there are exception. I know people who are married to women who approached them. All right, maybe I try to for where the mumnam will be 0554820910 0554820910 Bema you be catch our fan saying oba nso ubetimi akọ. I mean, can you go forward or can you go ahead and propose to a man? My answer also share with us your sentiment on this issue. 0554820910 0554820910 and 0201944485 now for zero WhatsApp number we are 0554 820910 0554 820910 and 0201 944 0201 944 Okay, first caller. Hello, good morning. Hello. Okay, 0554 820910 0554 820910 and also they were doing Chabani. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
About your first work as a friend. I'm a free. Abu. I'm about your mind too.
Onu nye issue with me na baby catch now for so you na me na se no kan no me na plano onu an ele no se me me ande into me when say you're right because it's the way of an hour yes na enye mi onyamo e wo only be man
right I'm a mati and I say I am on Brami, the main can Jobia 0554 so far as I'm giving you some pain 0554
one so benya some there the hode me the chira me da
as I'm giving you some pain babwa 0554 0201 944 about also with your friend out there I didn't share about waiting no messages of 0594820910 na ya can kind about that me who message you on Facebook a family news my me who me ba be check it biom but cause I him say obi ni me di we hon komo ma advice am dem man And then how can they do say my £100? £100 because me Busano say no so fili and I say I fili. So fili that come on go ahead. Count to Mika Granawa, Coca Chen say yeah. Na Coca Chen but them say they are my idea.
Kwabena say to say bia ubako yo wasem ya woken krane bia. Mama guy in the crowd to say, oh, mini boy.
I can't already. But your friends are as a friend.
Well, for him, because if I have nothing.
If I came about you, 18.
Topic in the annual do not. And no, I didn't have a money problem, baby. You go on in the TV, on the team and Timu. As soon as you are no about a dress in an age to Beman crowd to be in country. No, if you're not about to crap at Beman. I think of it mean in a quite far down phone with me, I can be judged and own to me. By Beman, so the no sense of sister, your witty cow that came near the Jinaya Grana Usru. You be a woman, Ben only could this uncle Macrana Bianca Papa. The man with the yeah, I give you a brussel. I want your man is
and one no, you say I want your man. I want your man. Mimi say I want your man. What your man, what you she see. Another Bible quotation be by I say, since God created men to lead, both in church and at home, then it seems natural that his leadership would begin with proposing marriage to the woman of his choice. She is, of course, free to decline his offer. However, it may not be wise to extend her freedom to proposing a marriage. Ampa.
Say everything about like from the genesis of Adia or Kenin now leadership. What is leadership? It is leadership. You take the step for more mudiache no atiki or na so married your way. It is when it comes to a year proposal. You being as a leader who proposes first. Obi mesa on home kanchira wansa. No, you have to take the big step. The initiative. I say ohene anko akwadwane. At the end of the day, what happens? Into the Okano, me I side with the Okano. Me say advice now the man no. Catch him. Me say obekom we making the necessary available opportunities now around Bemano.
Message we will have from Faustina. I'll say take the bull by the horn before it slips through your fingers because others may be wild about him. Charlie, make you no lose God.
Who be wild? And now okay, others maybe. It will never also no. Since others, it doesn't who taking we are doesn't stop the others from coming. That is a mistake.
Right.
You take the bull by the horn. Watch na bosso. And the owner watching the boy.
Hello, good morning. Hello, good
Hello.
morning. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Your first look as a film boss.
May the Kwame say you because this is more than.
Come in, but you eat on the pay.
Unia. And Mema nowadays, no boys, no, almost very far, Unia. Or baby pan, all these boys, no, so how are they up to see girls, no, and it's difficult to.
I had the own.
Yeah, easy. Now they say, Obano, Filia. I mean, they rank our caca, and Mummy, because Unia, the more to be announced who feel about, I want to make a movie now one way. It's one ever can't tell you. The only say like a good say man is a although boys are not deceived. You do want to beat my you mean to beat my obata. In the hope say okay, be an like you know
Alright, so yeah, that's so see you hana also why lucky. Me say menka. Nti mo amusuro say ena ever can me menka. There are instances where ladies also discuss that boy we cry na me pet I see there are instances where ladies also discuss that boy we crana me penu and come back mommy
the main penu
boy we crana me penu and answer me penu okay. But I don't get this message.
Kwabena ode and I can probably we don't get it or the bad the ina nka yebenya enoyi clearer and I making Kwabena me say this is a lifetime decision. You are proposing to be in a long decision making mema let Abranti asema okay to that edin Cratchy, so when you brace a whoop, bibia kokotokwa, you knew a bro. Take, go ahead, propose. And only a dear, a cast away a bear mount. Bearman seems so man, son or hamon. So what is keeping you?
It's your fun to say, Kwabena Costy. To say Shabo T. Pan, not DB, be pan DB. Or where I put Shabo. Shabo, where got no lie.
Say, be a young fowl be to say, you mean Cassette celebrate, but young fan say, Lady, I know a movie. What is her name?
Mama Sawa.
Maybe our bar studio.
Say, Mama Sawa, the end, young Fashabo, young family. Your family.
Come now.
Your family.
Miss Assembly, Obenya pair. Kwabena, how do we say it? Say, Ona, Mama Sawa interview. You are what you mean, Busa questions. When Mama Sawa has been able to tell you, as of now, no, I'm not even dating. I'm not going out. Kwabena, how would you?
I will say it on air. I'll propose to her on air.
But what is it? You are making. That is a decision I will take the boldest decision ever. What's high in the air crime will be anti-bio.
Sharp cry.
So that's it.
That's like Facebook Live also.
It's at the end of the day. It's just a blog is near the I didn't ever
find. They are go home. But trendy one year.
But that's it. It's where on earth say train ama a year my message wa just say on no be propose. Kwabena o free ana kind o free ya obekọ ofie obi so ho na ni je ho no what you say
me so mu Cratchy but yeah fa we so Shabo